The only real tip or trick I have for this particular etude, aside from making sure that your fingers are moving smoothly and evenly through this entire exercise, is on measures 12 and 13. On measure 12, you have to use the fork fingering for B natural. This one right here. You'll use normal for the first B in that measure. Then you go to C, then back to B using the fork fingering, then A sharp, then back to B using the fork fingering. You could use the fork finger for the whole measure if you want to, but it's fine if you use the normal one for the first one. But you shouldn't use it for the second one because it's much smoother going to the next note when you use the fork fingering. And then on measure 13, not a big deal. Most of you would make this choice anyway. Make sure you're using the side fingering. That's what most people would choose, but I have come across students who learned the sliver fingering for D sharp first, and they would play it like this. And they would slide from the sliver D sharp to the C, which is dangerous. It's just potential blips, the blippy sound between notes. You want the side because it's more smooth.